Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Zebronics ZEB U725 Unlimited Power Supply. There's an image of the power supply right over here. There are, however, a lot of information on this box. Let me tell you what they are. This particular UPS comes with overload protection, cold start, generator compatibility, LED and audible alarms, auto restart and simulated sine wave. Do we have any more information over here? Yes, nominal voltage is 220 to 240 volts. Voltage range is 140 to 300 volts. Frequency is 50 to 60 Hertz. Number of output sockets 3. Charging current 1 ampere. Number of LEDs 1. Net weight is 4 kilos. This is a little on the heavier side. And that's more or less it. I will show you what's in this box now. This is what the UPS looks like. We have a user manual for the ZEB U725, which you should read thoroughly before you use this. This is, after all, a heavy equipment. And now let's take a look at the UPS itself. So this is the front part of the UPS. It has this design on it and Zebronics logo right over here. And over here it's written it's a power UPS. This is the button. This is a power button, and this is basically your battery indicator. The two indications here, one is when charge is low and one is when it's fully charged. It will show you both of them. And this is also the body of this UPS. It comes with IEC certification as well. And at the back there is this thick PVC wire with a 3-pin jack at the front. Do we have anything at the back of the UPS? So at the back, along with the wire, you also have 3 3-pin sockets. So you'll be able to run 3 electronic devices with 3-pin sockets with this particular UPS. And this is what you'll find inside the box containing the Zebronics ZEB U725 UPS. Thank you for watching.